All right, here's Gunny, all by himself, and we're going to try to get him to do some tricks. Show Annie Harriet. Gunny, sit down. Gunny, sit down. Sit. No, don't do your tricks yet. Sit. Okay, give me the paw. Give me the other 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 paw. Give me this one. Give me a high five. Oh, high five. Good boy. Did you see that, Annie Harriet? Look how cute his little face is. And I'll give him a treat for that because he's a good boy. Here's a sausage. A sausage for Gunny. And he's going to take it down. He's going to chew on it. You want to give me another high five for Annie Harriet? Huh? Can you do it? Let's have him finish up his sausage. He loves that. See him? Look at him. He's getting to be a big boy. I had to put Max and Sophie downstairs, otherwise they never let him do his tricks by himself. So let him finish that and see if he'll give you one more high five before we sign off. Come here, Gun. Gunner man. You chewing on your sausage? How about Daddy take it away from you? Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Give me a high five. Oh, good boy. There you go. Okay, Annie Harriet, you got to see it close up and personal. 2 high fives and 2 rapid fire paws. So we're going to finish our sausage, and then we're going to have our dinner. Okay, bye-bye now. Gunny, look at the camera. Gunny. Gunny. Gunny, look. Say bye, Annie Harriet. Bye-bye.